So, there's a calcium balm that says it can patch up your under eyes like concrete. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because this investigation gets wild fast. Dr. Melaxin's Cemenrete Calcium Multibalm claims to use something called REBORNIC, which sounds like a robot superhero, but is apparently their patented ingredient that combines vitamin D and calcium. The marketing says it prevents collagen and elastin loss in your under-eye bone structure. Your bones have skincare needs now, apparently. This tiny 9-gram stick costs around $25 to $30, which breaks down to roughly $3 per gram. That's more expensive per gram than gold at current market prices. For context, you could buy a decent face cream that lasts months for the same price. The product description reads like a construction manual. They literally named it after concrete and promised to rebuild facial architecture. The balm supposedly melts into skin without stickiness and comes with a twist mechanism that clicks when you've used all the product. Revolutionary technology right there, folks. Clinical studies claim up to 127% improvement in under-eye volume, which sounds impressive until you realize most clinical studies for cosmetics use tiny sample sizes and short testing periods. The hypoallergenic testing completion doesn't specify what standards were used or how many people were tested. Looking deeper into REBORNIC, this patented ingredient appears exclusively in Dr. Melaxin products. No independent research exists outside their own clinical claims. The calcium-vitamin D combination isn't groundbreaking. It's basic bone health science that may not translate to topical skincare benefits. User reviews are surprisingly mixed for such bold claims. Some report good hydration but nothing miraculous. Others mention the product runs out incredibly fast due to the tiny size. Multiple reviewers noted the price-to-quantity ratio feels steep. The stick format limits application precision, and the concrete marketing theme feels more gimmicky than scientific. Quality moisturizing eye creams with proven ingredients like retinol, peptides, or hyaluronic acid cost significantly less and offer larger quantities. The verdict? This appears to be premium pricing for unproven calcium technology with construction-themed marketing. Unless you're specifically drawn to the novelty factor, traditional eye creams deliver similar hydration benefits without the premium price tag or questionable science.